Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to be showing you where each of the information labels are in the car. And on these you'll expect to find your VIN number, your build date, your colour code, your tyre information and also where the VIN number is stamped into the body. So we're going to start over the right hand side of the vehicle, or the driver's side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully and just go down into the door jamb here and you'll see this label. This gives us our standard tyre sizes and also the tyre pressures. Now that depends on if you have the 16-inch or the 18-inch wheels on your car, so be sure to check those. Just in the front of the door here we've actually got our compliance sticker. So this says that it was obviously for Mitsubishi Motors Australia, because we're in Australia. It's the Eclipse Cross GK model. And then it also tells us that it was compliance label was put on in May 2018. It then goes on to give us our VIN number, which is replicated on quite a few locations on the car. We're just going to go ahead and pop the bonnet now by pulling that lever and come round to the front of the car. Put your hand in just above the Mitsubishi badge and push the lever to the left and open up the bonnet. We're then going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, we can have a quick look around the engine bay, and I won't go too much into this. But if we look up onto the actual bonnet itself, that gives us this plate here, which basically gives us the type of engine that's in the car and the model there as well. And then our VIN number is actually stamped into the body of the car just here. So that's stamped in, so it's for anti-tamper, and like I say, it's just there, you can just about see it. And lastly we'll go to the passenger side of the vehicle, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully again. Now this time we're just going to look in the front of the door jamb, and this is most of our relevant information that we're going to need. So it gives you that model number again there. It gives us the options that it's got on it. It gives us the build date, so it's actually built May 2018, the same date that the compliance label was put on. It gives us our paint code there, which is W37 in this car, and then the trim type, which is 37J, and then again replicates that VIN number for us. So there we go, that's all of the relevant information labels on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.